This is 1997 Honda Civic 1.6 liter. I'm making this video because I want to show you how to fix these two strip bolt holes. Basically, they are very loose, so I can see the wires coming out from the gasket here. Okay, so I'm gonna use my marker to mark number 1 here, and 2 here, 3 there, and 4 there. All right. Okay, so basically I'm gonna have to remove these spark plugs. Okay, so I marked earlier, I marked 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so I'm moving this out. Ooh, dirty. Oh my god, that's a tough one. Okay, so I know which ones 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So move this out. Put over here, and this is it's a 10 millimeter socket. So I'm gonna move this one out. I'm gonna have to do this too. So let me move this one first. And let's move this one out of the way. I put it back. I put a screw back so that way I don't lose it. All right. So I don't have to do that. And I'm gonna move that out. So I'm going to remove this one. Push this one over. Okay. That way. Okay, now I'm gonna start losing this. See, this is how loose that is. See? All right. So I'm gonna start. We have to move this one too. That way I have space. Okay. So now, so this one's tight. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off the camera, and then I will show you when I take it out of this cover. Okay? Okay, so I already removed all the spark plugs wire, and I already removed these bolts, these 5 bolts. So I'm ready to take out the cover. All right. All right, here we go. And over here, and these are the bolts. These are to the back, these are the back, and these are the front. And look at the white thing right there. And let's take a look at it. This is the bolt that I'm going to draw over. Same thing with that one. All right, so here you can see it, and I don't need to change the gasket. Looks like it's still okay. Okay, so basically I'm gonna use a towel to cover this hole and that hole. These are the 2 holes that I will have to drill with the drill bit, 1/4 inch. All right, so let me start with this one because this is the one that is loose. So I'm gonna cover up like this, so that way when I draw, And basically I'm gonna do like this. I'm gonna open a hole a little bit here, so that way, hold on, where's my, so I can see it. Okay, there we go. All right, I'm gonna put a tape over, just tape over. All right, like this. I'm gonna use the knife to open the hole here. Doesn't hold very good. Anyway. There we go. Alright, you see that little hole right there? There we go. Okay. And then I'm ready to draw. Okay, so okay. So I'm gonna get my draw a bit and draw out the hole. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to draw the hole, and this is the 1¼ inch. Okay, 1¼ inch, and let me put them here. All right, draw the hole. Okay, so after I draw the hole, I'm gonna do this, use this. All right, open this thing, and you gotta follow this. All right, so you draw the hole and then you put this tab over. All right, so I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna show you, and keep this one, and this is the tab. Okay, so let's do that first, and then I will show the rest. All right, okay, so I'm ready to put this tab first. I'm gonna put a little oil here, so that way it will smooth the, and you can use the 8mm. All right, so you're gonna go straight. Okay, you're gonna go straight. All right, you see right there, straight enough. Until you feel that it's the to the end. slowly and gentle. Now I can feel this to the end, so let me reverse this. Easy, easy, easy. Alright, so I can pull this out easily. Easy. Okay, so there's a hole. Okay, so after I use the tab to draw the hole, now it's time to insert the helicoil. So here's a little piece. Put like this. Oh, okay. Gonna insert this in there. Kind of tight, so I don't know, maybe I should have. Oh, there we go. All right, so let me see here, why it's so tight? Okay, there we go. Okay, now you can see two at the end. And this is the time that I need to put in here. Okay, so this is the time to install the insert. All right, so let me see here, make sure that it's okay. So do this slowly, easy. All right, because I don't have the socket for this piece, and the socket 4.5 is too small. The socket 5mm is too big, so I had to use this. Okay, you can see that the insert is going inside. It's going down slowly. Alright. So it looks like it's going inside. Alright, so I think that's it. It looks like it goes in there, but let me do a couple of times, make sure it's okay. Upright. Let's try. Okay, let's see. Let's go in there. So a little step. Okay, now after I draw the hole and I tap and I insert the helicoil inside these two holes. Now it's time for me to put this one back, because I don't need to change the gasket. I just changed this a year ago, so I think it's still good. And let me put this back slowly, easy. we go. All right. So, and I'm gonna have to clean the oil here real good, and then I will tie it. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna put this one back. All right. Oh, I can do this with my hand. That's good, pretty good. All right. So here we go, and basically I'm just put this back and I'm done. So let me try one. Especially this is the loose one. All right, and I think it's good to go. So all right, so this is the end of fixing the strip bolt holes on these two holes for the 1997 Honda Civic. It's pretty easy to do. It's not that hard. So if you have the time, you can do it. Hopefully that no more leaking, no more oil leaking. All right. Thank you for watching.